In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to use parallelization within tasks in Mail and Deploy. We start with the Qlik app, and we want to send an email to each of the regional managers. Each report should contain its own information. We also have a supporting app here that gets the email addresses for each region. Back in Mail and Deploy, we have already prepared a Word report template. So this one is already defined. It accepts a region, a month and a year as parameters. For this, we also have a value table prepared that contains all the regions. Now let's take a look at the normal task or the task without parallelization. Here we go. We click on the Action tab. We set the variable to 3. We are going to set the variable action to constant year in 2012. In the next step in our task, we are going to cycle over the regions in the supporting app. There are 6, so we choose all of them here in the selector field, and we will check the box automatically filter to cycle value. In this case, the value name is the current region. Finally, we will create a report sending them local variables for month, year and the current region. OK. And then we will send an email to the email address that is specified in the supporting app. We, therefore, have used an expression. Good, then we close the task editor. So how does parallelization work? What is the difference between a normal task and a task with parallelization? In a task with parallelization, we have to do some extra things. Let's go and take a look at the task with parallelization now. First of all, we want to send one region to a different core. Therefore, in the parameters of the task, we will load the regions. We could also type them in, but we are lazy. So we will read the value table called regions and store it in a parameter. Just like that, we know now that we want to enable parallelization. Therefore, we click on the Parallelization tab, and we want to do 6 jobs in parallel. We know that because there are 6 regions. Anyways, that does not matter. We can put 3, 4 or 5 as well, with the maximum being defined by the Mail and Deploy license. And as a parameter, we choose the regions. And here is the thing with the actions. What is the difference? The 2 variables month and year stay the same. In the filter field region, we will use the task parameter regions as values. OK. Then we will cycle only the applicable values. So we choose applicable in the selector field. The report creation action stays the same, and also the send an email action stays the same. There is only one difference that we put a 02 in the subject, so we see the difference. Recipients stay the same as well. Good. So now we will not run the task. We ran it a while ago and it took 18 minutes. To see what happened, we will check the execution calendar. This is the first task. Here are the one-by-one tasks without parallelization. So as you can see, this is going really one after the other one, and it took a long time. It took more than 16 minutes to finish the task. Here you can also see the tasks that ran in parallel. They all started at the same time. And the ones that have less information took just 2 minutes. This one, that took 10 minutes, was America's. Anyways, with parallelization the max of task runtime is 10 minutes. Let's start it anyway, just that you see what it looks like with the parallelization. We will start just this task. And this is how it looks like in the execution status. This one is processing Africa. This one is processing Americas. This one is processing Asia and so on. So you will ask, well, you have 6 regions and you chose to use 6 here. What if we choose to have 3 jobs? Then each of the jobs will process 2 regions. And that's it. Thanks for watching.